Mm-hmm. I've been watching some of y'all and I like what I'm seeing. You understand the value of money. You understand the value of vision and inheritance, but you're new and you want to make the right decision about how to start your portfolio. Well, you are in the right place because this is VINK, Vision, Inheritance, and Networking with Karen. VINK was my granddaddy, VINK Gaddy, and he taught us something about long-term investments, right? And I'm here today to talk to new investors just like you who are already ready to build something bigger than yourselves. But hold up, before we go any further, I need to make sure I stay out of real estate jail. Here's a quick disclaimer. I am a licensed real estate broker sharing market insight and property availability. I'm not giving you financial advice or investment advice. Always talk with your investment or financial advisor before making any decisions. We got that straight? Okay, now we can talk. So I'm going to be showing you why 2 cities in North Carolina are primed for high returns, low competition, and long-term growth: Fayetteville and Raleigh-Durham. Serious investors are already moving in, and now it's your turn. I'm Karen Clark, a licensed real estate agent here in North Carolina, and today I'm helping new investors like you find land and projects that build long-term wealth. So let's dive in. Let's set the stage. North Carolina has been ranked #1 for business multiple years in a row now. People are moving here by the thousands every month, and they all need a place to live, right? The job market, booming. The tax climate, favorable. And real estate here still has room to run. So if you're holding capital and waiting for a market that's still affordable but poised for appreciation, this is it. The smart money is already moving. The question is, will you get ahead of the curve or will you wait until the window closes? Okay, let's talk markets. And we'll start with Fayetteville. This is the sleeper city, y'all. Nobody's talking about Fayetteville, really. But the data doesn't lie. Rents have jumped over 25% in the past year. A 2-bedroom unit now averages $1,290, up from just over $1,000. And why? Increase in housing for military allowances. Fayetteville is home to Fort Liberty, one of the largest military installations in the world. Add in Amazon's new fulfillment center, upcoming solar and aerospace plants, and you have a surge in working class tenants looking for clean, modern apartments. Everybody's not ready to buy right now. Keep that in mind. But let's jump into Raleigh-Durham in the Triangle. This is North Carolina's tech and life science capital, right? Here's what's happening there. Over 19,000 units absorbed in the last 18 months. Vacancies are around 7.5%, with rents expected to grow 4.5% in the next 12 months. Developers are pulling back on new builds, which means less competition for you. People keep moving here for the universities and hospitals and the research jobs. So the renter demand is staying pretty high. So whether you want high cash flow in Fayetteville or long-term appreciation in Raleigh-Durham, you're sitting on 2 prime territories. You don't want to wait. Discuss it and then come to me, and I'm going to help you find what you're looking for. So here's some of the things I've been hearing from investors and people that I've been talking to every day that are in the industry. And what they're asking is, where do I find land or buildings for multifamily? How do I know if tenants will fill it? How soon can I get started? And here's my answer. That's where I come in. I help you find the right zoning, the right neighborhoods, and the right development windows. And we run rent comps, and we're going to walk the land. We're going to talk to cities, and we're going to make the numbers work. And yes, the tenants are already here looking for a product. So I feel like you should get moving on multifamily. So again, if you're watching this and you're ready to go ahead and make a move, let's talk this week. You want more than just listings and a link and stuff that you can't put your hands on. I can be your boots on the ground if you're not here. You want strategy, you want insight, you want someone who knows the market on foot. That's me. So whether it's land for a 10-unit building in Fayetteville or a 100-unit mid-rise outside of Raleigh, I'm your boots on the ground here in North Carolina. Let's get you started. Multifamily, that's the way to go. But again, talk to your investment broker, get all your budgets right, get your money together, look at everything you're willing to invest, and let's just talk about everything. Let's put it all out on the table and get you ready to go. So next month, I think I'm going to show you 3 submarkets where I'm seeing the most multifamily activity. And a hidden gem just outside of Fayetteville that most investors are missing. Thanks for watching. I'm Karen Clark, and I'm helping you with the deals, the dirt, and the data to build long-term wealth here in North Carolina. Subscribe for weekly updates. Let's talk it again next month, and I will see you then.